Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the strategies and techniques to grow your wealth and live off your investments. From savvy saving habits to smart investment decisions, learn how to pave your way towards financial independence. In today's video, we will talk about the secrets of building lasting wealth and securing your financial freedom. We're going to explore some game-changing strategies and tips that could grow your wealth. But before we jump into that, don't forget to show some love by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Moving on to the first tip, how to grow your wealth and live off your investments is, your wealth depends on your own actions, not on others. Always bear in mind that you are ultimately the best steward of your finances. Resist the temptation to hand over full control to a manager, advisor, or representative. Preserve your hard-earned money. It's far more beneficial to educate yourself on managing finances and delegate tasks accordingly. However, maintain vigilant oversight over all financial affairs. Why do I emphasize this? Allow me to explain. Even if you entrust financial calculations to others while running a business, it's imperative to stay informed. Remaining proactive enables you to identify and rectify errors promptly, ensuring smooth operations. Blind trust is never advisable, as it can lead to detrimental consequences for your financial future. In the event of mishaps, you may find yourself bearing the brunt, such as dealing with tax complications that jeopardize your income. Now, moving to our next tip I have for you on how to grow your wealth is to diversify your investments. Imagine this: you're carrying a basket brimming with eggs, intending to sell them at the market and earn some cash. But en route, you stumble and fall, shattering all your eggs. You're left with nothing. No money, no eggs. This scenario illustrates the danger of consolidating all your funds in one place. Relying solely on a single type of investment exposes you to significant risk. Different investments come with varying levels of risk and reward. Their performance fluctuates unpredictably. That's why it's prudent to diversify your investment portfolio. By spreading your funds across various investments, be it different products, industries, or currencies, you mitigate risk and enhance your prospects of long-term financial gain. Would you concur that diversification represents a wise strategy for investing? How do you diversify your portfolio, and what types of investments do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. The next tip on how to grow your wealth and live off your investments is, connect with people who are financially successful. Imagine you're eager to learn how to play the guitar. Would you prefer to spend your time with individuals who've never laid hands on a guitar, or with skilled musicians who can play mesmerizing tunes and impart valuable techniques? The answer seems apparent, doesn't it? This same principle applies to building wealth and thriving off your investments. Surrounding yourself with individuals who've already accomplished what you aspire to achieve is crucial. They serve as sources of inspiration, guidance, and motivation, propelling you toward your financial aspirations. Naturally, befriending a millionaire isn't as simple as approaching them and expecting instant camaraderie. Instead, cultivate genuine connections with like-minded individuals who share your enthusiasm for financial matters. You never know when you might encounter someone who offers invaluable advice or presents a lucrative opportunity. Therefore, don't hesitate to network with financially savvy individuals, as they possess the potential to aid you in your journey toward financial success. Now, moving to our tip I have for you when it comes to growing your wealth and optimizing your investments is, you are the only one who can create your wealth, and no investment strategy will magically turn you into a millionaire. Hence, resist the temptation of a trendy course promising untold riches on YouTube or a digital currency guaranteeing exponential growth. You've likely encountered the age-old adage, if something seems too good to be true, it likely is. As an investor, it's imperative to hone your ability to differentiate between enduring, lucrative opportunities and passing fads destined for obscurity. Doing so will spare you considerable frustration and remorse as you navigate the journey toward financial independence. Therefore, refrain from placing your trust in purported magic solutions that pledge overnight wealth. Okay, now going to our next tip on how to grow your wealth, don't spend more than you need. In an era dominated by consumerism, our sense of happiness often hinges on the accumulation of possessions. It's no wonder then that we're inclined to indulge in unnecessary spending. Yet, it's crucial to resist the urge to overspend. Doing so can lead to living beyond our means and falling into debt, a lesson I've learned firsthand. While splurging may provide temporary satisfaction, the long-term consequences, such as stress and anxiety, far outweigh the momentary pleasure. However, prioritizing frugality isn't solely about saving money. Embracing a simple, minimalist lifestyle conveys a message of contentment and gratitude. While this may foster personal fulfillment and tranquility, it may not necessarily garner popularity. Others may find themselves puzzled by such choices. So, what's the alternative? Seek balance. Appreciate what you have without succumbing to wastefulness. By finding this equilibrium, you can enjoy life's pleasures while maintaining financial responsibility. The next way to grow your wealth and live off your investments is to use tax benefits. One of the strategies employed by the wealthy involves leveraging the tax system to their advantage. Taxes serve not only as a means for governments to collect revenue, but also as a tool for individuals to reduce expenses and enhance cash flow. By comprehending tax laws and utilizing them strategically, individuals can facilitate wealth growth and ease reliance on active income. For instance, deducting interest payments on mortgages or business loans from taxable income can lower tax liabilities and free up funds for investment. Alternatively, investing in assets yielding passive income, such as dividends or rental income, offers tax advantages, as passive income is typically taxed at lower rates than active income derived from labor or business activities. The distinction between passive and active income is pivotal in tax regulations, with active income subject to higher taxation due to its association with personal effort and time commitment. Passive income, on the other hand, stems from investments or assets, requiring initial financial or resource investments rather than active involvement. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, applies varying tax rates to these income types, favoring lower rates for passive income sources like portfolio income. Dividends and capital gains. Another illustration is rental income, where expenses like depreciation and maintenance can be deducted, further enhancing tax benefits compared to active income streams. These distinctions underscore how passive income avenues offer favorable tax treatment relative to their active counterparts. The next tip on how to grow your wealth is to keep your money safe and make it last for generations. One of the goals of growing your wealth is to ensure that it is passed on to future generations. Hence, caution is paramount when considering any investment. Instances abound where individuals have fallen prey to fraud or market downturns, leading to a loss of faith in investing, a crucial component of achieving financial freedom. Consider, for instance, the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s, characterized by overvalued internet companies fueled by media hype. One such example is the infamous case of a pet supplies online retailer with a renowned sock puppet mascot. Despite raising millions through its 2000 initial public offering, the company's extravagant advertising and shipping expenses outweighed its profits, resulting in bankruptcy within a year. Countless investors found themselves unable to recoup their investments, akin to pouring money into a void with no return, culminating in widespread financial devastation. Similarly, the wine fraud orchestrated by Rudy Kurniawan serves as a cautionary tale. Many investors, lacking expertise in wine collecting, fell victim to purchasing counterfeit rare wines. This scheme led to staggering losses amounting to millions of dollars, with little hope of restitution to date. These episodes underscore the importance of safeguarding and preserving one's finances to foster long-term wealth growth. They serve as poignant reminders of the perils of investing in unfamiliar or unverified ventures, and the anguish of watching hard-earned funds vanish in an instant. You may wonder, how can one evade such pitfalls and make informed investment decisions? Firstly, educating oneself about the industry, asset, or business in question is crucial. Additionally, seeking guidance from financial professionals can provide invaluable insights. Now, I'm curious about your perspective. What are your thoughts on these tales of investment calamities? Have you or anyone you know experienced similar situations? How do you safeguard your finances and ensure their longevity for future generations? That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section, and if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.